Students, in this video, see some examples which depends on union and intersection of sets. Okay, so in exercise 1.4, question number 1 is find the union of each of the following pairs of sets. Here, set X contains 1, 3, 5 elements and set Y contains 1 to 3 elements. So here solution X union Y will be equals to, you have to take the total elements of X and Y, but the elements should not be repeated. So here it is 1, here is also 1, so write 1, then here it is 2, okay, then 3 2 times, so write once only 3 and 5. So this is the union of X and Y, 1 2 3 5. Then second question is A equals to A E I O U, A E I O U. This is set A, and set B is ABC, and you have to write the union of A and B. So here A union B equals to, this is A, here is also A, so A, then B, then C, then E, I, O and U. So this is the union of A and B. Okay. Third is set A is a set of X elements such that X is a natural number, X is a natural number, X is a natural number and multiple of 3, okay, and B is a set of X elements such that X is a natural number and less than 6, simply number less than 6. So student, here set A contains the natural number. This is in set builder form. So X is a natural number and multiple of 3. So multiple of 3, that is natural number 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and so on. Okay. So this is set A. Set B is X is a natural number less than 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Natural number less than 6. Therefore A union B equals to 1, 2, then 3, 1, 2, 3, or I can write here 1, 2, 4, 5 and multiple of 3, and multiple of 3 means 3, 6, 9. Okay, so these numbers will come in this set. Then so, or I can write this in this way also, A union B equals to X equals to, it is a set of X elements such that X equal to 1, 2, 4, 5 or means union or multiple of or multiple of 3. यहाँ पर भी आप और यूज कर, और मीन्स यूनियन. Okay, so in this way we can write the union of two sets. Then question number 4, see question number 4 is set A is equals to it is a set of x elements such that x is a natural number. X is a natural number and x कैसा है, 1 से बड़ा है, लेस देन इक्वल टू 6 है, लेस देन और इक्वल टू 6 है. The set B is a set of x elements such that x is a natural number and x कैसा है, 6 से बड़ा है and 10 से छोटा है. Okay, so solution here, set A is x is a natural number and x कैसा है, 1 से बड़ा, 6 और 6 से इक्वल टू, 1 से बड़ा मीन्स 2 3 4 5 इक्वल टू 6 ऑल्सो, सो 6. एंड B इज x इज ए नेचुरल नंबर, लेकिन नेचुरल नंबर कैसा है, 6 से बड़ा 10 से छोटा, 6 से बड़ा 7 8 9 10 will not include because it should be less than 10. Therefore A union B equals to 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Or you can write this is A union B is a set of x elements such that x is greater than 1, 1 से बड़ा है, नेचुरल नंबर है, लेस देन 10 है, where x belongs to natural number है. Okay, then fifth, take fifth. A equals to 1 2 3 1 2 3 and B is 5. suppose B में कुछ भी नहीं है, therefore A union B will be equals to, दोनों का combination 1 2 3. Okay students, so in this way you can find the union of two. The next question, let A equals to A B. A is a set containing A and B elements. B is a set containing A B C elements. So is A is a subset of B? Question mark. What is A union B? So solution here, A equals to A B, B equals to A B C. So is A is a subset of B? Yes. A contains elements which are already in B. Okay. Yes. A is a subset of B. What is A union B? B में already A और B है, means A union B जो होगा वो B होगा. Here A union B equals to B itself. Question number 3. If A and B are, if capital A and capital B are two sets such that A is a subset of B, then what is A union B? इसके जैसा A और B टू सेट्स है. Solution here, A and B are two sets such that A is a subset of B. A अगर B का सबसेट है, that is every elements of A will present in B. So ये बड़ा सेट हो गया. What is A union B? Then A union B will be itself B. बिकॉज ए ऑलरेडी बी का सबसेट है, तो ए के सारे एलिमेंट बी में है, तो बी बड़ा हो गया, तो ए यूनियन बी बी होगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, इफ ए इक्वल्स टू 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 and b equals to 3 4 5 6 3 4 5 6, okay, and one more set is there, c equals to 5 6 7 8 5 6 7 8, okay, and d also, d is 7 8 9 10. So find, you have to find number 1 a union b, a union b, number 2 a union c, number 3 b union c, number 4 b union d, number 5 a union b union c, number 6 a union b union d, and number 7 is b union c union d. Okay, so see student, how to find this union of three sets. Now here three sets. So here number 1 a union b, a union b, a में 1 2 3 4 3 4 रिपीट हो गए, 5 6 है, so 1 2 3 4 5 6, 3 4s are repeated, so we have to take only once. Second a union c, a और c में देखो या 1 2 3 4 है, 5 6 7 8 है, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, okay. Then you take third b union c, b और c का यूनियन 5 6 7 8 3 4 5 6 5 6 रिपीट होगा इधर, so it will be 3 4 5 6, we have to take 5 6 once only, 7 8, okay. Then fourth b union d, b union d देखो b और d, b is 3 4 5 6, so 3 4 5 6, 3 4 5 6, is there any element which is repeating it? 3 4 5 6, no, 7 8 9 10, 7 8 9 and 10. Then fifth a union b union c, okay, so let us find out a union b first, then union c. So what is a union b? A union b, just we have calculated first a union b, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, union what is c? C is 5 6 7 8, 5 6 7 8, therefore a union b union c, you take the union of 5 6 7 8, 5 and 6 are repeated here, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, okay. Similarly you take sixth number 6 a union b union d, so let us find a union b, a union b, 1 2 3 4 5 6, union what is d? D is 7 8 9 10, 7 8 9 10, therefore a union b union d, a union b union d, इसका यूनियन ले लो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, 7 8 9 and 10, okay. Then take last, that is seventh, okay. Seventh is find b union C union D. So let us find a B union C. What is B union C? Third one, B union C, that is 3 4 5 6 7 8. Union, what is D? D is 7 8 9 10. 7 8 9 10. Okay, therefore B union C union D equals to 3 4 5 6 7 8. 7 8 are repeated here. So so this is 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So in this way we can find the unions. Students, now see next question. Question number 6. If capital A is equal to 3 5 7 9 11, this is the set. B set is containing 7 9 11 13. C contains 11 13 15 elements and D contains 15 and 17, these two elements. Find A union B. A intersection B. Solution. A intersection B. A intersection B क्या होगा? देखो यहाँ 3 है, इधर नहीं है, 5 नहीं है, 7 है, तो 7 होगा इंटरसेक्शन दोनों का। 9 इधर भी है, 9 11 इधर भी है। सो दिस इज 7 9 11 ए इंटरसेक्शन बी। सेकंड देखिए, बी इंटरसेक्शन सी। बी और सी में इधर कितना है? 13 है, 15 इधर नहीं है, 11 इधर है, 11 इधर भी है, इधर 13 है, 11 and 13. Then third is A intersection C intersection D. A intersection C intersection D. चलो हम पहले ऐसा करते हैं, इंटरसेक्शन A इंटरसेक्शन C निकलते हैं, A और C. दिस इज A, दिस इज C. 11 इधर है, 13 इधर नहीं है, 15 भी नहीं है, सो दिस इज 11 intersection D. D is 15 and 17. Okay, so here it is 5. A intersection C intersection D is 5. Okay, then the fourth is A intersection C. A intersection C, what is A? A is 3 5 7 9 11. Intersection, what is C? C is 11 13 and 15. So A intersection C is 11 इधर है, 13 नहीं है, 15 भी नहीं है, so it is 11 only. Then fifth is B intersection D. What is B? B is 7 9 11 13. 7 9 11 13. Intersection, what is D? D is 15 and 17. So 15 and 17 are not present here, so again we get 5 here. Okay, then come to 6th question. 6 is A intersection B union C. So A, write A. What is A? A is 3 5 7 9 11. इंटरसेक्शन अगर राइट बी यूनियन सी, बी और सी का यूनियन, 11 13 15, 11 और 13 रिपीट हो गए, तो 7 9 11 13, 7 9 11 13, 11 13 आ गए, तो इधर अभी 15 हो गया। सो भाई इसका इंटरसेक्शन देखो, 7 है 7 है, 9 है 9 है, 11 है 11 है, बाकी के कॉमन नहीं है, सो 7 9 and 11. Okay, then 6 is A intersection B and C. 7, now 7 A intersection D. A intersection D. So what is A? A is 3 5 7 9 11 intersection. What is D? D is 15 and 17. So no element is common here, so it is 5. Okay, then 8th favorite A intersection B union D. 8th A intersection B union D. So A is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Then intersection, right, B union D. B और D का union लिखो. This is B 7, 9, 11, 13. 7, 9, 11, 13. And D 15 and 17. 15 and 17. Now take the intersection. Intersection 7, 9. 7 is here. 7, 9 is also there. 9. Then 11 is also there. 11. Then no common element is there except this 3. 13 is not there. So this is A intersection B union D. Then 9. 9 is A intersection B intersection A intersection B intersection B union C. B union C. A intersection B. A intersection B. We have find out here 7, 9, 11. 7, 9, 11. Intersection B union C. B union C. Okay, take B union C. B और C का union 11 13 repeat हो गए. 7, 9, 7, 9, 11, 13. 7, 9, 11, 13 and 15. Now take the intersection 7 and 9 and 11 also. So it is 7, 9, 11. Then take 10th. 10th is A union D. A union D intersection B union C. So A union D. A और D में क्या? A what is A? 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. See D 15 and 17. 15 and 17. Intersection B और C का यूनियन देखो. B में 7, 9, 11, 13 है. 7, 9, 11, 13. 11, 13. 7, 9, 11, 13. B union C. 11, 13 has repeated. So 15. 11, 13 already taken. So this will be. Now take the intersection of this. Intersection 3 is not there. 5 is not there. 7 and 9 are there. So 7, 9. 11 is also there. So 11. 13 is 15 is also there. 15. So 15. 17 is not there. So this is 7, 9, 11, 15. This is the A union D intersection B union C. Okay, students.